In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ShareFile to Outlook ribbon. Now to do this, you actually don't have to do anything inside ShareFile itself. You want to open up Outlook, okay? So I'm using Outlook Classic over here, and to actually add it to your ribbon, you want to go to up top where it says Home tab, and you want to go to the right and click on Get Add-ins. Here, you want to go to All and then click on Search Add-ins and type in ShareFile. When you click on the ShareFile icon, you want to click on the Add button over here, and that's all you have to do. When you close this, you'll see, there we go, we now have the ShareFile on our ribbon over here. You can see you have three buttons: Save to ShareFile, Create Signature Request, and Settings as well, okay? So these are going to help you when you're trying to use ShareFile inside Outlook, and they're going to be available whenever you're trying to compose new emails or whenever you are reading existing emails like this, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.